They don't know if you're not the number one of whatever it is you're trying to teach them.
Social media is huge.
Letting people into your personal life is definitely a plus.
I am the best. You all should be doing this. This is so, like, social media is huge. The roofing industry is like 10 years behind on social media. A lot of other businesses, they're recording everything. Like, you guys should be making videos every day about your clients, about you, how you work, so they can see it, because everyone uses Facebook, right?
And it doesn't take much at all. Everybody in here has a smartphone that can record video, audio, and you probably have a built-in editing app, depending on what niche you choose. If you want to be entertaining or educational, you know you're going to get a reach. You know you're going to reach people, and it doesn't take too long as you're consistent with posting. And obviously you have to choose the platform that's going to match you best. If you're making longer videos, YouTube's awesome.
But just getting back on YouTube, it kicked off for a while. Apparently you're not allowed to do videos about talking bags of cocaine or have girls riding on guys' faces. I didn't know that.
Shorter videos, Instagram, Facebook.
How do I earn a top fan badge in one of my favorite Facebook groups? Best Damn Roofer.
They all have live, so you can do Q&A with people. You can do live videos right up on the roof. So it's so endless right now. They don't know if you're not the number one of whatever it is you're trying to teach them.
I got 35 dislikes on that Trump video. And I just want to say, oh, you little
But if you position yourself like you are going to get more of an engagement, more of a positive feedback, because a lot of people just don't know. They're there to either learn or be entertained. So it's pretty easy to...
I just labeled myself the best damn roofer. I wasn't, man. I was self-proclaimed, right? I am the best. Like, just throw it in their face, and now apparently I'm the best damn roofer. That's just happened. Just tell them you're good, they'll believe
Human
it.
psychology's a fucked up thing. But yeah, letting people into your personal life is definitely a plus, because you might not know who they are as they're watching you, but they feel that they know you. So if you arrive to sell something, they already feel a rapport with you, even though you might not have one with them, and that's always a plus.
big time, big time.
And when you do start off and you are trying to gain a following, show up for the 20 people that are following you just the same way you're going to show up for the 20,000 that you might have a year from now. Because if you engage with them and you genuinely act like you care about, because you should, they're your followers, they're engaging with you, you are benefiting from them watching you. So show up just the exact same way for 20 as you would for 20,000. And if you have your own website, if you are sharing your content to your own website, Facebook has something called Pixel. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of that, where it will give you even greater insights into what you're posting and how it's being shared, where it's being shared, when. So you can curate your content and post it around that. It has amazing insights. Facebook Pixel is great if you're sharing to your own website as well. People can tell if you're being fake, and they're gonna see right through it. I mean, if you're the type of person that says fuck every fifth sentence.
Oh, you little fucking pansy, little fucking limp fucking lizard-loving pieces of shit fucking liberals on my page. Anyway, where the fuck are you even here?
Then do it, maintain it. People don't care. I mean,
industry.
It is the industry, and there's layers of the industry, because you have your workers, and then your sales, and then delivery guys, your owners. So depending on who you actually want to target.
We want Donald! We want Donald! We want Donald!
The owners probably aren't going to find something as entertaining as, the general laborers. So you're going to have to really figure out who you want to target your videos to within the industry. So, and even if you're going to post something serious, you're going to have somebody calling you a hack and telling you you did it wrong and he did it right and you're an idiot and he's been roofing for 20 years. That's literally a copy and paste from thousands of roofers, regardless of where you go. I'm sure you've all seen it. But no, yeah, definitely engage back and forth.
And don't be discouraged by when you post something and you're gonna have some asshole. He's gonna want, you gotta be ready for that. You gotta have lead with your chin. You're gonna get a couple shots. It's gonna happen. When you put yourself out there, you're definitely gonna have somebody give an opinion that's not the nicest. That's just what they do on social media. Like, you're gonna get 10% of that, and you can't let that discourage you by any means, right?
And don't, as soon as you have the opportunity to monetize, don't put in triple advertising. You only have 1,000 people. I'd wait for it. I'd space it out a little bit. Don't piss them off. There's nothing worse than watching an 8-minute video and 4 minutes of it is broken up into 3 different ads. Like, most people are like, fuck that.
you're trying to sell shingles and trying to sell your roof. You're not trying to sell an advertisement on your videos, right? So even for the BDR, I don't have any advertisement. We just cut it all out. Oh, and I also do things like memes. They're funny. Like if you have a funny meme about the roofing industry, it doesn't take much. Like most of the time I take a meme, it's about carpenters or plumbers. I just take the word plumber out, put roofer, put my tag on it, wham, throw it out there, get 50,000 shares, right? But then people see the best damn roofer, you're getting yourself out there. There's several ways to get yourself on social media, and just once posting, even if it's a comment about the roofing industry, it doesn't need to be a video. Just posting on what's your, they ask you if you want to do a poll. Who wants to do a poll? What do you think of the gas shingles? Boom, put it out. Doesn't need to be much. It's just engaging on a daily basis. You're on your phone anyway. You're on your Facebook 4 hours a day. If you want to get involved and be in the industry, do it, right? And just interact every day with it.
Now you know how to become best damn roofer, and I personally wanted to invite you to our roofing process conference first week of December in beautiful Orlando, Florida. We have a lot of fun. We have a big company coming up to 500 people. I'm gonna put link in description below for registration. We have tickets on sale now. Hope to see you in December, guys. This is White Claw party.
I think I'm going crazy. There's only one thing that can save me. In the hot sun, we're roofing on and on. In the hot sun,
I want to show you something. Check this out. You can't make this up. There's no Photoshop required. Check this out. Hey Jason, where are you? So this is our roofing process, and this is the sky right now. Look at that. Executive room. This room is like 1,600 square feet. Just a whole bunch of roofers. Chef Nimbus in the house. Blankets are going down. What's next?
Who's that Johnny Cash, though?
Oh, look at that. Adam Sand in the house. Have you ever seen Adam Sand looks this pretty?
we are roofers. We are roofers. And we don't give a fuck if you don't like us much. Cause we're one of a kind and we'll roof all the
Patrick.
time. We are roofers. 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 And we'll wake up at dawn to put those shingles on. And we get home at dusk and we don't make no fuss. We are roofers. 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 And we don't give a fuck if you don't like us much. We're one of a kind and we'll roof all the time. We are roofers. We are roofers.
Man, this is this sky right here. Look at that. That's just beautiful.
One for one, baby. Now give me a sighting song.
A siding song? Insider song. I wrote it for Tanya when I was inside her. You guys ever heard this song?
I gotta go, guys.
There's a speeder on
Hey, what do you think about White Claw?
Man, White Claw's awesome. Drink it.
Well,
We have another convert.
there's a skater on my feet, whack it off. Well, there's a spider up inside her, get it out. Get it out. Well, there's a spider up inside her, get it out. Get it out. Well, there's a spider up inside her, cause there's nothing that ain't wider. There's a spider up inside her, get it out. It's a Canadian classic.
Another fittest roofer in the house. Fittest roofers occupy. There's White Claws in the fridge.
Peter on my Peter, whack it off. Whack it off. Well, there's a dozen on my cousin. You can hear those fuckers buzzing. There's a skeeter on my Peter, whack it off. Whack it off. Somebody give me a hand here. I got for the mosquito.
Yeah, I'm going. We gotta go hit the studio.
There's drinks in the fridge.
I'm looking for a record deal.
Garage band.
GarageBand's like on iTunes.
No, but what's on the ice one? Like,
Did you check the freezer?
Yeah, GarageBand. Yeah,
so you use that for what?
Freezer.
everything. All my songs
Freezer.
are the element I put out
There's
on
a freezer inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you like you edit it off where you
It's like a home control board. You can master it, mix it, dub it, do whatever you have to do. It works really good.
Look who decided to show up. You're late. You're late. Give me 10 burpees. 10 burpees, you're late.
Hit us with it.
Alright, smile. This is for Megan. She bought me that guitar. Yeah, there you go.
Once there was a shingler, when he roofed, he pleased the Lord. You don't really care for roofing, do ya? And he works on roofs with the steepest pitch. Never falls and he never slips. And on these roofs, there's no red hat or roofer. Oh my God. Oh, hello, roofer. Sing along if you know it. Hello, roofer. Oh, hello, roofer. Oh, hello, well, your skills were strong, but they needed proof. They saw you roofing on the roof, and the beauty of your shingling, it overthrew them. But you weren't that up, and you made a slip. You fell off that roof, and you broke your neck. From your legs, you drew a hella roofer. Come on, everybody. Oh, hello, roofer. Oh, hello, roofer. Hello, roofer. Oh,
Yeah, baby.
roofer. Well, maybe I've been here before. I know this roof, I've roofed it before. And I used to roof alone before I knew you. And I seen you roofing that marble arch. And shingling is not no victory march. It's a goal and it's a broken hello roofer. Everybody? Hello roofer.